everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. This is your girl Key, and in today's video I am coming to you with my raw, authentic truth about the rice water and the Urban Skin RX review. I am coming to you and just telling my experience about both products. So if you would like to hear that, go ahead, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So first and foremost, the other day I almost had a breakdown. Let's go ahead and start with this rice water challenge. If you are not subscribed to me, I came out with a rice water recipe video and I tried it on my hair. So first I did the recipe and then I filmed myself trying it on my hair. The first time I tried it on my hair, I did a wash routine and I did see that my hair like frizzed up and like shrunk a lot. So I wasn't sure if it was breakage or if it just shrunk. So that was the first and foremost impression of it. My hair shrunk and drew up a lot. So then I continued on doing the rice water for 5 days. Big mistake for me. And I'm going to say it again, for me, it really made my hair shorter. If anything, it made my hair a little thicker, but I really don't believe so. However, it really was too much protein for my hair. So before you try the rice water challenge or using rice water period, try it on a patch of hair, and I would say like in the middle, somewhere where you can hide the breakage if something does happen. But I would consult a hairstylist before using the rice water challenge, because for me it was a absolute positive no. Like if you look at my video, my shopping haul for my patio, and then you compare it from my hair from the ordinary pill to the patio, you can see a major difference. Like my hair I wasn't able to make a full bun anymore. It was like a bun, however hair never stuck out of my bun, if that makes sense. And it was the scariest thing ever. Now, I am going to say that the rice water, putting the orange pills did make it smell better. It smelled great. However, I felt that it was way too much protein on my hair. So I went ahead and I went to my natural hairstylist, and she went ahead and gave me a blowout and put curls in it. So that's what I have in my hair right now. And to me, it doesn't look correct because my hair was longer than this. So I can already tell that my hair broke off a lot due to the rice water. So ladies, be careful if you're going to use the rice water. I did use the first week and the second week. I don't even want to try anything else because I feel like I was trying it not because I genuinely wanted to use it on my hair, but I felt like I was trying it because it was a trending topic. I'm not doing trending topics no more. I'm gonna do them, but not to myself. Like rice water is over for me. It's totally over for me. So if it has worked for you, please comment down below and let me know. Maybe I did something wrong, but as for me and my hair, no, not using it again. So that was the rice water. Now let's jump into this Urban Skin RX. So I just want to say for my Urban Skin RX, it helped with hyperpigmentation. Do not get me wrong. However, I did the ordinary peel, and I'm not sure if the ordinary peel or the Urban Skin RX left scars on my face. However, I noticed that I stopped using the ordinary peel, and after I stopped using the ordinary peel, I would think that Urban Skin RX would start clearing up the scars that the ordinary peel, if the ordinary peel left it. But I noticed that it hasn't been. It's been still raw on my face on my right side. So I had to stop. I couldn't use that no more. I feel like it was way too much chemicals on my face, and no, that's just not me. So one thing that I have been using, and I've been using it for 3 years, is the cinnamon and egg mask. Now I'm just gonna tell y'all, this cinnamon and egg mask is not for the faint at heart. Do not try it if you feel like, if you can't take pain, because it does. Your first and second day, it burns like no tomorrow. But I'm gonna link the video that I watched for that recipe. I'm gonna link that down below. But I went back to using that, and I only been using it for 3 days, and already I can tell that the scar up here is clearing and the scar down here is clearing, and these parts are still, they're brighter, because I really feel like the Urban Skin RX helped with hyperpigmentation here, but I don't feel like the other places it really affected my skin. And I spent like $216 on that, yeah, or more. And yeah, I don't feel like it really helped. I really feel like it brightened my skin, if anything, but that was about it. But my skin was already bright. Again, you can look at the ordinary peel, and as I was doing the ordinary peel, why didn't y'all say, like, comment down below, like, why are you using this? Because my skin was so much brighter then than it is now. Like, now I'm like self-conscious about this little dot up here, and then this little thingy majig down here. So it's like, no, I am not. I'm not doing all that again. So I'm just going to go back to all my natural things that I was doing before. My turmeric mask, my cinnamon and egg mask. I'm going to go back to putting my banana mask for my hair, and just putting protective hairstyles like braids and all that stuff in my hair. Again, in no heat. I was doing so well with no heat, but I was so scared that all of my hair was like gone, which it was from the rice water, that I was like, let me go check. So that's why I went to go check, and it was. So, and I really didn't want her to trim it, so I'm gonna wait until it grows back a little bit more to trim it. But y'all, I know it's just hair and it'll grow back. But one thing for certain, another thing for sure, I was not trying to damage my hair. So I'm like, I'm not about to damage my hair for subscribers and likes. It's just not gonna happen. So, no. But yeah, if you have a review or you have any concerns when it comes to rice water or the Urban Skin RX, leave the comment down below. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Let's talk. Let's have some open dialogue. So, coming soon. So, I am going to be doing a video on my Netflix and Hulu top 10 shows. I already got that content, and I'm actually going to be recording that today. So, I'm excited about that. And I'm also going to be doing my patio haul. You guys got to see me shopping for the stuff, but you're going to get to see me actually do the haul and my self-care routine. So I am so excited about this new content, and if you like this video, my authentic review, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and make sure you read the description box for any details you want. So again, thank you so much for staying tuned. And again, this is your girl Key. Make sure you stay blessed, sane, safe, and sanitized. And I love you all. Mwah.